Who would have thought that this strange quantum world could be used as a tool to make human beings more powerful than before? Quantum is not just for the books or a world we marvel at.
Wow.
Quantum technologies such as quantum communication and cryptography or quantum computing are currently being developed. The next revolution is the revolution of quantum technologies. Quantum computers can do the calculations in matter of minutes, which for the best supercomputers today can take up to 10,000 years. Before we talk about how quantum computers work, let's take a look at how classic computers such as PCs, cell phones, and so on work. Our computers perceive data in binary form, that is, states that are either 0 or 1. In classical computers, the smallest unit is called a bit. Each bit can take a value between 0 and 1, like a light bulb that can only be turned on or off. For example, if we give a maze puzzle to a classic computer, it will test all the paths one by one and show the result, which is the open path. Quantum computers use qubit instead of bits, which can be both 1 and 0 at the same time. This is called superposition or quantum superposition, which is one of the features of the quantum world. Subatomic particles such as electrons or other particles have a property called spin. Spin can be thought of as spinning. For example, if the electron spins from right to left, we show the spin with an upward arrow, and if it spins in the opposite direction, we show a downward arrow. And we call them spin up or down. But when we have not yet measured the spin of an electron, the electron has both spin up and spin down at the same time, and it is in a superposition of these two states. Now, if we give the same maze puzzle to a quantum computer, it calculates all the paths at the same time and shows the right path. That is, millions of times faster than a classic computer. So far, how successful have we been in building quantum computers? In 1998, the first 2-qubit quantum computer was built. 2 years later, 5 and 7 qubits computers were built. Until in 2011, a Canadian company built a 128 qubits computer, which was a big deal. Google, Microsoft, and IBM have designed the best quantum computers to date in their own style. Quantum computers are very powerful. For example, with high speed and accuracy, we can calculate the collision of 2 galaxies or make weather forecasts and build new drugs. For example, we can treat Alzheimer's or do all kinds of heavy calculations with this technology that are not possible with the best computers we own today. Can we have quantum computers in our homes anytime soon? Quantum computers are currently very difficult, complex, and expensive to build. To use a quantum computer, we have to create difficult conditions for it to work. For example, it should be kept at a temperature of minus 273 degrees Celsius, which is the lowest temperature in the world. Superpositions are very sensitive and terminate easily, so we probably won't be able to use these computers in our homes anytime soon. Of course, quantum computers are dedicated to working with their own special calculations and may not be suitable for everyday use. But for our casual work, our computers are doing just fine. To me, quantum physics is not just a tool for building quantum computers. I see quantum computers as a way to explore the mysteries of nature.